Now, free traffic website for affiliate marketing number 5 is a website called trafficg.com. Now, trafficg.com is a targeted traffic exchange website. And when you sign up and become a member, you'll be able to drive free guaranteed visitors and traffic to any website of your choice. And the cost of this great service is absolutely nothing, but no catches. Can you believe that? Now, this website on average is pretty small, but they average around over 10,000 visitors every single day. And right now, they have a total of 637,000 plus members. Now, there are a lot of ways that you can generate traffic to your affiliate website and make money in the process, but I'm only going to name a couple. And 2 of those things are the Super Surf service and their Super Start service. Now, the Super Surf traffic exchange service allows you to visit other members' sites, and in return, they're going to turn around and visit your site. And each site that you visit will give you 1 visitor back to your site. So it's like a one-on-one traffic exchange rate. Now, this is going to allow you to earn a visitor to your site every 12 seconds. The traffic they deliver is highly unique and it's 24 hours. So the traffic can also be geo-targeted and targeted by interest too. It's sort of like running a Facebook or a Google ad, but with actual traffic from this platform. Now, the other way is their Super Start service. Now, you'll be able to drive traffic to your site by opening your browser, something you may do hundreds of times a day. They're going to give you a unique URL to set as your browser start page. And every time you open this browser, they're going to redirect you to other members' websites, which is going to turn give you visitors back to yours. And each time your referrals open a new browser window, your account will be credited. And as you can see, there's a chart right here that breaks down their referrals. You'll see a link down below this video where you can check it out and get all the details. But as my personal experience, they don't send thousands of traffic, but it is some traffic and it is quality traffic. And I've actually made some sales with Traffic G. So that's why they're recommended in this list.